Picture yourself plummeting towards a world devoid of mercy, where each moment sprawls into an abyss of horror. As you enter the atmosphere of Venus, thick yellow clouds swirl ominously above you, a toxic embrace waiting to swallow your capsule whole. It isn't the heat that greets you first, it's the dreaded kiss of sulfuric acid. This atmosphere, hostile and unyielding, gnaws away at your vessel like a predator feasting on its last meal, hissing and bubbling with anticipation of your demise. As you descend, the merciless pressure increases, squeezing your chest like a vice. Inside your suit, the realization dawns on you: you cannot breathe. The air is a lethal cocktail of carbon dioxide thick enough to suffocate hope itself. Each attempt to inhale feels like biting into shards of glass, raw and searing. The visor fogs over, blinding you to the true nature of your descent. The only sounds are the agonizing creaks and groans of your suit, a fragile barrier against the impending doom. Time drags in your fall. At 40 kilometers down, the light around you fades into a hellish orange, swallowed by waves of black. You are no longer soaring through a sky. You are trapped inside a furnace of gas, where temperatures soar past 450 degrees. The heat does not merely burn, it cooks you from the inside out. Bones weaken under pressure, the sensation akin to being crushed slowly, deliberately. This planet, who once beguiled with beauty, is intent on honing your suffering. Your body, once resilient, is mere flesh against an iron fist. Machines, forged in steel, fell silent shortly after touching this world, reduced to twisted metal and seared circuitry. And yet here you are, fragile, humbling helplessness unravels until your blood itself boils, racing against an inevitable end. In this realm, not even a scream for help escapes your lips. You are but an observer to your own extinction. Venus watches. It observes your struggle with a voyeuristic glee, devoid of empathy. Once an Earth-like paradise, Venus morphed into a sterile wasteland due to its own implosion. What was once a bounty of life has now become a hellscape, a cautionary tale unfurling before anyone who dares to glance toward the skies. Earth stands beside this charred reminder, blue and inviting, yet perilous. Questions linger like shadows. What if we too succumb to the same fate? Could our reality twist into the poisonous gas that envelops Venus? A cruel future awaits, painted in the colors of apathy, if we ignore the lessons of this merciless planet. Ignoring our fate, we become architects of our own destruction. The tale of Venus is one of apocalyptic downfall, and the universe watches, waiting for us to mirror its dark narrative.